Hey everybody, good evening, good evening, good evening. I hope that you're well. We're doing late night pips for those of you on the East Coast. I am in the wonderful California where the sun is still shining bright and it's still a very, very hot day. I've been talking to you all about funded accounts. I am so excited that you can get a funded account now. And you can get a funded account for 50K or 100K, 150K. And I love trading futures. I have futures funded accounts and I have Forex funded accounts. So you can definitely look at Black Forex and Stock Brokers profile and you will see all the links for funded accounts. And it's the best way to start learning how to trade. Okay. Right now, we're doing 90 days of summer. And I love 90 days of summer because we're really just challenging you to make $50 a day, which is nothing for those who are experienced. But for a beginner, $50 a day is something. So we encourage you to kind of try that out and learn the skill, learn some strategies. Okay, those of you who just got off my other session on the EMA cross, we're going to go ahead and get in here. I'm going to get in here. I don't want you doing what I'm doing. Do what you got to do. All right. But the strategy that we're using, we're looking good. Those EMAs did cross. There's a flat bottom here. Okay. So I am Dr. L.A. Dean of Academics for Rich University. And I really, 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 really stress um, watching these EMAs and these candles. And so something I like to trade is when this EMA crosses and you have a flat bottom, especially with futures, because the momentum on futures moves really fast. I like to get in my trade. Yeah, because I like to be in and out with the quickness. And with futures, you don't want to have a lot of pullback. You want to make sure that when you're getting in the market, that the market is actually going in that direction. So your execution has got to be extremely strong. Okay. So as you can see, my EMAs did cross. I got a flat bottom. Okay. I got another flat bottom. And so I'm waiting for the push up. For beginners, I think that this is an excellent way to start learning how to trade. Okay. For beginners, I know advanced traders, they use different ways that they like to trade. But for a beginner, people try to make trading complicated and it really is not. It really is about patterns. Okay? Order filled. When you hear order filled, that means that my trade hit. Okay. And I'll show you what that looks like. I just did maybe 4 trades and I'm saying for new traders, they can do like $50, right? So here my 4 trades at $50, that's $200. My win ratio is 100%. Ooh, this thing looks like it want to go to the moon, y'all. All right. That was beautiful. Let's look and see what's happening so that I can look for my re-entry. Okay. A very simple strategy that I use trading futures. It is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful thing. Again, doji, flat bottom. I'm loving that. All right. This is looking good. Those of you who trade with me on a normal basis, can you just type in the comments? Let me know if you were out there and definitely if you cleared. That is a beautiful thing. Just sending a quick message there. All right. Be anxious for nothing. I'm never in a rush. The market is not pushing above this area. Okay. Yeah. It's not pushing above that area. So I definitely want to see the market pull back. And then once the market pulls back, then, ooh, yes, girlfriend is ready to run. And y'all see all those flat bottoms? Looking good, looking good, looking good. Let's see how high this is looking to go. Okay, it's looking to go to about right here. If it passes past there, then we know it will continue to go. So again, for a new trader, we're simply looking. Yeah, it is, right? I thought your account locked you out, Ty. I thought your account once you hit your quota. Do you have a quota per session? Because I thought it locked you out. That EMA cross was beautiful though, wasn't it? Yes. All right. And this thing is still going. So I definitely want to make sure that I'm in my Forex account on this one. All right. So again, those EMA crosses do not lie to you. This was not an EMA cross for the sale. Okay. This was a trick. That's not something you want to get in. All right. So now the market is pulling back. We want to watch it pull back. The momentum. I have a banking scanner under market tools. That banking scanner is amazing. And so I can see right now that the momentum on the buy is very weak. We do not get in it when it's weak. We want that momentum to go up. Okay. So again, I'm strictly talking to beginners. No, ma'am. I'm talking to beginners right now. Oh, okay. What's in your mouth? Why does it seem like you got some bubble gum? Okay. Yeah. If you let me finish and then when I'm done we can talk, okay? But I gotta finish. I'm not done.
What's
Mom to trade, mom to trade. Trust me, it is still possible. We got a doji here. If I got a flat bottom, then I'm more than likely going to continue moving forward. Okay. So, again, these EMAs are very, very powerful. I love the flat bottom. I'm not looking to get in any trade until that flat bottom. This is looking good, y'all. Until that flat bottom is above the EMA. Yeah, that is good. All right. Don't do that.
then turn it?
Listen to me. Girl, if you don't go sit down, little humans. All right, I told you that was looking good. You see how that candle shot up for us?
Please.
That was really good. Let me finish and then maybe I will get it for you. But you need to sit down, okay? Okay, go ahead, sit down. Finish your food. Oh, Lord. My husband has a basketball game. This is my life. All right. If this thing comes up, y'all, if it opens and closes up here, 9 times out of 10, it's going to come all the way up here. Okay. So the way that it opened and closed, the way it came down on the left, it's going to go back up on the right. Let's check out the 15-minute and see if we got a doji. Very good. So we got our doji on the 15-minute.
Got the pillow.
Okay. And now this is our reset. Now, earlier we were talking about the reset. Okay. Well, that's good if you got the reset on that 30K. We were talking about a reset here on the doji. So now we want this to pull back, but the momentum is still really, 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 really strong on the buy according to the banking scanner. So the banking scanner still has the market moving up. Okay. So let's see what happens. We got 10 seconds on that candle. All right. Good evening. Good evening. I see some new people that are joining us. Please type in the chat who's out there. Good evening. All right. Let's let it pull back. We really want it to pull back. I want to see it pull back some more so that it can continue to push up. And then if it pushes up for the London session, you can be looking at it to come all the way back up here. Okay. And that's a good thing. I want to see if it's come out of the Monday box. So I'm going to have a look over there. The momentum on the sale is very weak. I don't think we're going to get a lot of sale action right now. The banks are not moving in that direction. All right. The Monday. Ooh, it's going back into the Monday box. It went way out of the Monday box. And it's going back into the Monday box right now. If it resets and comes back out of the Monday box, it's going to go to the moon. Okay. So right now we got a doji outside of the Monday box. Let me look. Ooh, yes. Ooh, it ran, didn't it? That was an amazing run up. That was beautiful. Very, very, very beautiful. It should be exhausted. We're getting a doji now on the 1 minute chart. All right. We're getting a doji here now. So we want to wait on our flat bottom, okay?
I have a better plan.
All right, there we go. Our banking scanner, 20 seconds on the next candle. We got some dots for the pullback, okay? So again, beginners, we want to teach you how you can get in this. This is beautiful, all right? When the candles are red, we simply tell beginners that this is the market selling down. It's selling down. When the candles are blue, the market is buying up, okay? We're looking for these two lines, which are called EMAs, to cross. We want the EMAs to cross, okay, so that the market can either sell down for sure or buy up for sure. So here, when the EMAs cross, we're looking for that flat bottom. And once we have a flat bottom, we're going to get in the trade, because 9 times out of 10, the market is going to continue to push. And in a futures trade, it's going to clear a lot quicker. So that's why these flat bottoms are really, 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 really important. We do a whole training with the pit master on flat bottoms and flat tops. Okay, so that's what we're waiting to see right now. We have 13 seconds on this candle to see if the market is going to push this plus sign out of the way, and if these two lines are going to cross. And if they are going to cross, then we're going to be looking to see if the market is going to sell. Now, one thing I always do, I look at the previous side to see, okay, did it sell for real or was it a fake out? Okay. And so as you can see, this kind of was a fake out here. So if I were you, I would not be in a rush to get in a sale until I truly see that the market is going to come back down. Okay. The momentum is still very weak on the sale, but the banking scanner is giving us a little bit more of a push. We'll see. We got about 20 seconds left on that candle, and then we can decide from there. Okay. Are there any questions? You can type them in the chat.
Oh my gosh. And you're going, what?
And there you have it. It's turning back around. It's not giving us the push, right? It's doing the same thing. It's creating a pattern. Okay, so we want to see those EMAs cross again. And when the EMAs cross again, we can get in for a buy. If you were going to get in, that would be your choice. Okay, but that's what we're looking for. Again, we're waiting for simply an EMA to cross, which are the two lines, and then we're waiting for a flat bottom consistently. That is what we're waiting for. And I mean, we're at 100% using that strategy. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. And a lot of times when people have issues with this strategy, it's because they're getting in the wrong place. Okay. So once you get that flat bottom in the EMA cross, you have to get in. Cannot get in up here. You can't do that. Okay. You got to get in at the bottom so that when the market shoots up to the top, it will shoot you up into profit. I hope that makes sense for someone. Are there any questions? All right. On this candle, it's just now starting to form. And again, it's giving us a doji. Okay. I'll give you a quick overview on the futures chart. A lot of you were trading Forex before. Okay. So on the futures chart, you are simply pressing buy and sell. This thing here on the ATM, you can put in the amount. I have a lot of different amounts that I trade. Okay. And so you can choose a dollar amount or you can choose ticks. Ticks are very similar to pips in Forex, okay? And you can choose the tick amount. And when you're pressing buy and sell, this thing just shot up, didn't it? 1 second. Want to look on the banking scanner. The banking scanner is still saying that the momentum is weak, all right? So we're not going to get in that until the momentum picks up. I need a flat bottom, which we got, okay? I got a plus sign on one of my scanners, so I want that to get out of the way. And I want a dark fractal. As soon as I get a dark fractal, I promise that is my last one. I am done for the day. We have cleared earlier today every single thing that we got into. So, my head, eyebrow. Okay. Weak on the banking scanner. Weak, very weak. Okay. but that's a good one. But we need the EMAs to cross. The EMAs cross. And then when you get in futures, you'll hear order field, order field. And when your trade clears, you'll hear it say order field. 12 seconds on this candle. Again, the banking scanner is still giving me a weak momentum indicator. And we do have this plus sign that I am not a fan of, okay? But I do like that one. We got a little bit more momentum there. All right. And I'm going to go ahead. That's what I'm going to do. And the market is going to do what it is going to do. Are there any questions? All right. I hope you guys will continue to practice your strategy. We have several strategies up on the page that you can check out. I am done for the day. I have met my quota. It is well. It was a good day, a really, 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 really good day, a really good day, and I'm grateful. All right, have a great night. Those of you who trade with us, the Pitmaster will be live for the New York session and the Breakfast Club in the morning. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. Don't miss it.